how to add this PC icon on desktop on Windows 11. As you can see, I don't have this PC icon on my desktop. Now, in order to add this PC icon on desktop, here is how you can do it. First of all, in your desktop, right click on it. From this box, you have to click on personalize. So once you're under personalization, scroll down a bit and then click on themes. Now once you are on themes, scroll down again and under related settings, there is desktop icon setting. You have to click on it. After that, you will have this desktop icon setting pop-up box in your interface. Now to add this PC from this desktop icon section, there is a option as computer. So you have to check that or you have to select that. Once done, click on apply and then click on OK. After that, you can close this. Now, if you navigate to your interface there, this PC icon has been added on your desktop. So that's how you can add this PC icon on your desktop, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.